So first, let's unzip the zip. And we've got these little stars. And it's a rainbow coloured. Okay, let's see what we got. This heart. Nice water bottle. Okay, let's see what's next in the backpack. There's 4 surprises. Okay, we got this pen. And all 3 of these come out. Let me show you. Like that. And you can easily put them back together. And you can style it however you like. Okay, let's see what's next. Some sticky notes. Ice cream sticky notes. Pink and yellow coloured. Okay, let's see what's next. These 4 stickers which are scented. Let's see which is the last item. The last item is these 3 cute stickers which are scented. And that's all what is in this mini backpack. And I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.